What if I told you that right now, people just like you are making thousands of dollars every single month on YouTube, and they never show their face, they never buy expensive equipment, and they never spend a single dollar to get started? That is not a dream. That is the reality of AI faceless video creation, and in the next 8 minutes I am going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, completely for free. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this is the place where we break down everything you need to know to build a real income online using AI tools and smart content strategies. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop videos like this every single week and you do not want to miss what is coming. Now today we are covering one of the most requested topics I have ever gotten: how to create AI faceless videos that actually go viral, all without spending a single penny. I have broken it down into 6 clear steps, so even if you have zero experience, you will be able to start today. Let us get into it. Before you touch any AI tool, you need to know what your video is going to be about. This is the most important decision you will make. You want to pick a niche that has two things: high demand and low competition. Think about topics like personal finance, self-improvement, AI tutorials, history facts, or health and wellness. These niches get millions of views every month and they work perfectly for faceless content. Now, to find your specific video idea, go to YouTube and start typing in your niche. Look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those are real searches real people are making right now. You can also go to Google Trends and search for your topic to see if it is growing or dying. The goal is to find a specific angle, something like not just how to save money, but how to save money in your 20s with no income. The more specific, the better your chances of ranking and going viral. By the way, if you want to see the 5 best AI tools specifically for creating these videos in 2025, I have already made a full breakdown video for you. You can check that out in the top right corner right now. It goes hand in hand with what we are doing today. Once you have your topic, it is time to write your script, and this is where AI saves you hours of work. Go to ChatGPT or Claude, both are free to use, and type in a prompt like this: write a YouTube video script about your topic, make it engaging, easy to understand, and around 8 to 10 minutes long. Include a strong hook at the beginning and a clear call to action at the end. The AI will give you a solid first draft in under 60 seconds. Now, do not just copy and paste it as is, read through it and add your own personality, tweak the language, make it sound natural. The best faceless channels still have a strong voice, they just use AI to do the heavy lifting on the writing. Great script is the backbone of a viral video, so spend a little extra time here to make sure every sentence flows and keeps the viewer watching. Now that your script is ready, you need a voice, and since this is a faceless channel, you are not recording yourself, you are using AI voice generation. The best free option right now is 11 Labs. Go to 11labs.io, create a free account, and you will get a certain number of credits every month at no cost. Paste your script into the text box, choose one of their natural sounding voices and hit generate. In about 30 seconds you will have a professional voiceover that sounds incredibly realistic. If you want more free credit, you can also try tools like Murk.ai or TTsmaker, both of which offer free tiers. The key is to pick a voice that matches the tone of your video, something calm and authoritative for finance or news content, something energetic and friendly for motivational or tutorial content. Your voiceover is going to carry the entire video, so make sure it sounds clean and clear before moving on. This is the part that most people overthink, but it is actually the easiest step with the right tools. For your video visuals, you have a few great free options. First, if your video is more of a slideshow style or talking points format, Canva is your best friend. Go to canva.com, pick a YouTube video template and start building out simple clean slides that match your script. Canva is completely free and has thousands of templates ready to go. If you want actual footage to go behind your voiceover, head over to pexels.com or Pixabay. Both of these give you thousands of completely free, high-quality stock videos that you can use without any copyright issues. Just search for your topic, and download whatever fits your script. Another incredible option is Pictory.ai. On their free plan, you can paste your script and it will automatically match stock footage to your work. It does a lot of the editing work for you. Just remember to review everything and swap out any clips that do not quite fit. Now, it is time to put everything together. The best free video editor for this workflow is CapCut. It is free, it is available on both desktop and mobile, and it has built-in AI features that make editing incredibly fast. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import your voiceover audio file and all of your video clips. Drag your voiceover onto the timeline first, then start layering your visuals on top so the footage matches what is being said. Here are a few things that will make your video look and feel professional. First, add captions. Studies show that videos with captions get significantly more watch time because many people watch without sound. CapCut can auto-generate captions for you in just one click. Second, add background music. Keep it low volume, around 10 to 15%, so it does not compete with the voiceover. Websites like Pixabay and YouTube Audio Library have completely free music you can use. And third, keep your clips moving. Switch to a new clip or visual every 3 to 5 seconds to keep the energy up and stop people from clicking away. You have your finished video. Now you need to give it the best possible chance of getting discovered. When you upload to YouTube, your title, thumbnail and description are everything. Your title should include the main keywords someone would type to find your video, and it should create curiosity or promise a clear benefit. Your thumbnail should be bold, simple and easy to read, even at a tiny size on a phone screen. Use Canva to design your thumbnail, big text, contrasting colors, and if possible a visual that creates a question in the viewer's mind. In your description, write at least 2 to 3 sentences that naturally include your main keyword and related terms. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about and recommend it to the right people. Also, make sure you add 5 to 8 relevant tags, then post consistently. The channels that go viral are not the ones with one great video, they are the ones that show up every single week and let the algorithm work in their favor over time. And that is it, 6 steps. $0 and you have a complete AI faceless video ready to upload to YouTube. To recap quickly, pick your niche and topic, write your script with ChatGPT or Claude, generate your voiceover on 11 Labs, grab your visuals from Pexels or use Pictory, edit everything together in CapCut and then upload with an optimized title, thumbnail and description. That is the full workflow that real creators are using right now to build channels that generate passive income every single month. If this video helped you, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And if you want to see more tutorials like this every week, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I will see you in the next one.